San Diego personal injury attorneys. If you reside in San Diego and have suffered an injury, here's some useful information. Do I have a personal injury claim? If you've been hurt through no fault of your own, you may have a case. Personal injury lawsuits attempt to recover financial damages from the negligent party to compensate the victim for their injuries. Although money can never completely make up for the pain and suffering that a severe injuries causes to the victim and their family, adequate compensation can relieve the financial distress that usually results from an unexpected tragedy. In other words, let the best San Diego personal injury attorney help you stop worrying about paying the bills so that you can focus your energy on what's really important, your recovery. Personal injuries can be a result of the actions, the inaction or the negligence of one or more individuals or organizations. The most common causes include car accidents, medical malpractice, wrongful death and workplace accidents, but anytime you're injured due to no fault of your own, it can fall under the legal definition of personal injury. When your claim is presented in a court of law, you must prove that the other party was both liable and negligent to recover. This means that they were legally required to exercise a certain level of care, they failed to do so, and that you were injured or damaged in some way. How can a San Diego personal injury lawyer help me? You can rely on the skills and knowledge of an experienced lawyer to know the relevant laws and case studies inside and out. Our attorneys will look at your claim from a completely different viewpoint to identify all the possible angles to maximize your compensation package while ensuring that no detail, no matter how small, is overlooked. Of course, the insurance company may tell you something different. They are trained to give you the impression that they are acting in good faith and protecting your interests while trying to minimize their financial exposure. Here's a little secret. Even your insurance company doesn't work to protect your interests when it comes to a payout. In San Diego and around the world, their ultimate responsibility is to pay you as little as possible and avoid an expensive lawsuit. If an insurance company or a large business is involved in your personal injury claim, here are a few reasons that consulting with a specialized lawyer is critical. You're outmatched. Organizations of this size have an entire team of expert attorney and other professionals who share a common goal: to pay as little as possible to injury victims. Never attempt to take them on without your own attorney. You are not alone. You're too close to the issue. Personal injury is, well, very personal. And you wouldn't be human if you didn't feel emotional about the entire situation. Although the staff at an insurance company or other business won't pay more than they have to, the final number doesn't mean they won't be able to pay their bills or send their children to college. In addition to having years of experience in these matters, this will always give them the upper hand at the bargaining table when you try to negotiate with them directly. Won't preserve any evidence that isn't legally required.